Dialpad Enterprise app. The pros, the cons. Dialpad Enterprise app is a cloud-based communication platform that combines voice, video, messaging and AI-powered features for businesses. Most people get this wrong if they think it's just a simple VoIP app. Dialpad Enterprise is designed for large teams looking for an all-in-one communication solution with advanced analytics and automation. On the pros side, Dialpad Enterprise provides high-quality voice and video, real-time messaging, and AI features like call transcription, sentiment analysis and voice intelligence. It integrates with CRM systems like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Zendesk, helping teams streamline workflows. Enterprise-level features include single sign-on SO, admin dashboards, call analytics, and compliance tools, making it suitable for organizations with complex communication needs. Its mobile and desktop apps ensure teams stay connected from anywhere. On the con side, some users mention that pricing can be high for smaller teams, and the interface may feel overwhelming for new users. Call quality occasionally depends on internet speed, and advanced AI features require higher tier plans. In conclusion, Dialpad Enterprise app is ideal for organizations seeking a unified, intelligent communication platform. Its combination of voice, video, messaging, AI insights and enterprise-grade security makes it perfect for sales, support, and collaboration across distributed teams. For companies that prioritize productivity and advanced analytics, Dialpad delivers a flexible and scalable solution.